Welcome to Live Link 365 from SAP Digital Interconnect. Live Link provides messaging and other interconnect APIs, along with the developer enablement, analytics, and account management that developers need to implement and scale API services quickly. When you log into Live Link, you'll first come to a dashboard showing your recent activity, your available app keys, and news about available functionality. If we go to the Try It Out tool, you can see how the service actually works. First, we'll select the API we'd like to use, in this case, SMS. Next, we'll select the phone number that we'd like to send a message from. Then we'll enter a phone number that we'd like to send a message to. Next, enter the message body, the text of the SMS we'd like to send. Once that's entered, you can explore the sample code that we provide, showing how this API would actually be called. Now you can see how to send your SMS using the Live Link API in multiple common languages. The phone numbers and messages you've entered are automatically reflected in the provided code samples. Next, you can send the message out live. It'll go out to a phone where the receiver can send a message back. When they send a message back, it'll come into Live Link and you'll see the response in the checked received response box. Now that we've gotten a picture of how our APIs work, let's look at how Live Link is set up. The capabilities needed to get started with Live Link are organized into the Initiate section. Here you can see details about your account configuration, the users on your account, and then configure the default callback URL for your account. This callback URL is where you can control where Live Link will send SMS delivery reports and incoming messages. You can also view the details of the phone numbers that are assigned to your account. Then in the app key sections, you can view, create, refresh, delete the app keys for your account. The app keys are used to generate OAuth tokens, which are in turn used to securely call Live Link APIs. Now that we've seen how Live Link is set up, let's dive further into how you can learn more details about Live Link and how to integrate interconnect APIs into your apps and services. The overview page gives an explanation of what types of developer enablement you can access. Getting started explains what Live Link is and provides a walkthrough of the Live Link portal with screenshots, and then explains how to use our APIs to send your first messages. The API reference section uses Swagger to provide interactive documentation of each API endpoint. We also have sample codes of how to call each API endpoint in multiple languages that can be copied to your clipboard. Live Link APIs can be used to build interconnect functionality that works with many use cases. We've built out some sample projects highlighting some of these interesting or common use cases. You can see the code we built along with a step-by-step explanation of what the code is doing. Finally, we have articles explaining other technical information useful for implementing API services. Our first article is a look at what callbacks are and how to use them. Now that we've seen how to get started with Live Link, where to find details about its capabilities, now we're going to look at how to track and measure your usage of Live Link. The analytics page will show some statistics about your account's usage for each month, how many messages have been sent and received, how many countries you've been operating in, etc. The SMS log will show you each message you've been sent or received, allow you to sort, filter, or download those requests, and look into the details of a particular message.